Hi, it's Stuart Sutton at REMAX 1. We're going to talk real briefly about why credit repair is so crucial for you if you're looking to buy a home in the Austin, Texas area. You see, our market is perfect for buying a home right now. Now, I've been doing this over 31 years, and I've only said that a couple times. I'll explain more in a minute. If you have credit issues, don't believe all the old myths about not being able to get it repaired for a while. We can help you through a process where you can buy a home in 60 to 90 days. So let's talk about why it's so crucial that you find out if this is an option for you. See, if you have credit problems and you want to buy a home, you're not going to have very many choices. There's really two issues here, and one of them I don't even have on the screen. If you rent, you're in one of the highest rental markets we've ever seen in Austin, Texas. You're going to pay more rent than you would have any of the past several years. You can buy a home and have the best payment that you've ever had, but you have to get your credit in line. So 8,971 houses on the market, only 127 in the entire market said we'll offer owner financing. Now, if you said we want to live in Cedar Park, Texas, you would only have a handful of choices. The last buyer we had that had credit issues and wanted an owner finance had 3 choices in the Cedar Park area. Only 3 out of hundreds, and everybody else had hundreds. You don't want to be put into that position. By going through our credit restoration process, you can have all the choices that you want when you buy a home, and you don't have to pay today's high rents. The cost of buying a home, interest rates are phenomenal. We're closing people at 3.5%. Now, by the time you hear this, that might have changed, but why pay a percent or two above? I've never seen an owner finance where the interest rate wasn't a percent or two or more above the market. Why pay above market? Why buy less house than you're able to? Just because you think you need credit repair and can't do it for a long time doesn't mean that we can't put you through a credit restoration process where you can buy a home in 60 to 90 days. This isn't hearsay. This isn't a wild claim. We do it every single day. The cost of the home. I've never seen an owner finance home sell at market. They sell at a premium. A premium. A little bit higher interest, a little bit higher price because there's so few of them. It's simple supply and demand. So don't pay more for a home and have to wait years for your equity to break even. Don't pay a higher interest rate and don't have fewer choices. Your credit can very possibly be restored. Of course, there's situations where it can't, but a lot of people think it can't be, and then it can. So think about this. Check into it. There are many myths that people believe, and they do not own a home because they believe untrue myths. Go to truthbehindcreditrepair.com. You'll find out that the process we put you through will restore your credit faster. Average of 60 days. Some longer, some shorter, but yes, average of 60 days. Affordably, never monthly payments. You're not going to be dragged out into monthly payments. And you get a money-back guarantee. Hard and fast guarantee. We're local real estate brokers. We're not some national nameless company or some giant law firm that just throws paper. I actually saw a YouTube video where a very well-known credit repair law firm had a testimonial from a customer who said, "Oh, it was so great. You guys were so wonderful. It's been a little over 2 years and we can buy a house now and we just put a contract on one." Well, we've had customers who thought it was going to take a year or two after talking to one of those law firms. We put them through the credit restoration process that we use. They bought a home in 60 to 90 days. Check it out. At least check it out. I'm Stuart Sutton at REMAX 1, and you can reach me at 844-3254, that's area code 512, or email me, stuart@realestatebystuart.com. Hope this was helpful to you. Look forward to helping you. Make it a powerful day. Bye-bye.